How to enable your Clover's built-in SIM card. To begin, open up to your Clover device's home screen and find the Setup app. Once you open Setup, please select Cellular Data. You can find your device name or serial number below. Select Activate to turn on SIM card. At the very top of your screen, you will notice LTE, which is an indicator you have established an internet connection. You can always go back to your Setup app to suspend service at any time. You can also manage your built-in LTE connection via your Clover dashboard. To do so, please sign into your account via clover.com. Click on the gear on the upper right. Click View All Settings. Find Cellular Data under Business Operations. Find your device and select Activate. Thank you very much for watching.